Hey, this is Jim, Silver Forecast Midweek Weekly Check. So right now, silver is absorbing the volatility. Gold's holding firm, and copper's refusing to weaken. There's no premium between the Shanghai and the COMEX. And I lay all this out in the midweek weekly check that I just dropped. Take a look at that. And we also talk about what we're looking at for the rest of the week. Thanks.
Silver Forecast Midweek Silver Check, January 2026. Before we look at price, let's anchor to the thesis. Last weekend, the silver forecast was clear. As long as the dollar stayed below 99, this move remained intact, even with volatility. This midweek check is simple. Did anything break? Where we are now, as of this writing, silver is $78.21. Gold is $4,456. Copper is $5.92. The dollar index is attempting a bounce at 98.69. Those numbers matter. The structure matters more. The dollar still the lead variable. The dollar is trying to recover. That is the exact test we outlined. But below 99, this remains pressure, not failure. Silver does not need dollar weakness. It only needs the dollar not to reclaim resistance. Silver's behavior on stress. Silver has not collapsed on the dollar bounce. It has absorbed volatility. Pullbacks followed by stabilization tell us leverage is clearing, not that demand is disappearing. Gold and copper, confirmation still intact. Gold holding above 4,400 confirms monetary pressure has not reversed. Copper is doing something even more important. Near $6, it is refusing to weaken. That tells us industrial demand remains intact. Shanghai versus COMEX. As of today, Shanghai silver is trading at 547 yuan per ounce. Shanghai is not showing a persistent premium right now. That does not contradict the thesis. It tells us physical pressure is not accelerating, but it has not collapsed. Shanghai remains a confirmation signal, not the driver. System stress signals. China's export licensing rules are now live. COMEX margin increases are in effect. Both increase volatility. Neither resolves the underlying pressure. These are defensive actions, not signs of relief. What would change the thesis? Failure does not begin unless the dollar reclaims 99.50 and silver fails to absorb selling. We are not there. Until then, pullbacks are tests, not tops. Midweek verdict. This move is being stress-tested, not abandoned. The dollar is probing. Silver is holding structure. Gold is confirming. Copper is not blinking. Nothing has broken. What I'm watching into the close. I'm watching the dollar at the close. Silver's behavior on dips, panic or absorption. Copper's ability to hold near $6. And whether Shanghai behavior changes. That will tell us everything we need to know. This is not an emotional market. It's a structural one. The thesis is holding. And we'll reassess again before the weekend. That's the midweek silver check.